spoon challenge with our big spoons. And yeah.
Big spoon.
Yeah, the big spoon, okay. So, not. Okay. Why are you doing
Is this
it that
even
way?
gonna get in there?
Okay, as you can see, I'm filling it up, maybe.
You stupid.
Yeah, that did not happen. Anyways,
We're gonna die. You're gonna kill me.
I got cinnamon on my hand already.
So whose genius idea was to do this?
It was
Kirsten's?
my genius idea to do this.
But
For
who
the
started
people who liked us on Facebook, and this is my cinnamon.
That's weak.
You better put more because I have a ton.
Oh my god, you guys.
I need a towel. Hang on.
Alright, I gotta see.
Okay. Okay. So here's our cinnamon. Little. Oh my god, on my computer. Okay. Okay. Ready?
Don't go, don't go.
I don't want to do this.
2.
I don't want to.
Don't be weird.
I don't want to.
I need a drink. Oh wait, no I don't. No,
I don't want to.
Ready?
Go!
Do it!
Go!
Do it!
Go!
Okay, ready, set, go.
Swallow.
I got the mess. That was awesome.
So, now, still a great idea? Oh. Oh my god, it's